Nancy here, and today we'll see what are your current energy as well as what's your DM's energy, and what does your DM wants to tell you, and what is his deepest desires for you, okay, which he doesn't want to tell you, and it's deep inside in him. And here we go. Ten of Pentacles. So this is his energy. There is a Tower and there is a Ace of Swords. What about your energy? Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and the Three of Cups. So the bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups. This is your energy and his energy. So we'll start with the masculine energy. He is working so hard at this moment. He is working hard for, for being with you, for seeing this bright future with you. He is working hard for making his foundation strong at this moment. So he is completely busy in whatever he is doing right now. And at the same time, when he is working hard with creating his foundation to be strong at this moment, at this present moment, he is even having some kind of Tower moment. Tower moment is also good because he is trying, because he's not giving enough of time to you right now at this moment, but he does know that he feels complete with you. He does know that whatever he's working hard and doing right now, it's for you and him. So he's kind of making his foundation strong, but at the same time there is some kind of Tower moments. So Tower moments means there is some kind of thing which is bad in the situation where he is right now, but that bad has to happen so some good can be seen, right? So the Tower moment doesn't mean that it's all shattered. No, there is some kind of thing, there are some shady black clouds, or he is not seeing things very clearly right now. He's not understanding your connection with him right now, but he is making his foundation strong so he can come to you. But at the same time, there are some addictions, some kind of his dark secrets which he has to leave behind so he can walk and come forward towards you, as well as he has so much to tell you. The divine is also kind of giving him signs and warning, telling him that this is your birth, this is your other half, this is your counterpart, this is your other soul. Okay, so the divine is completely guided him. Here you can see that the clouds are grayish, can you see, in this dark, but here you can see the divine, the clouds are bright, and you see the sky is bright. So he is the divine is opening, the archangel Michael is literally opening the whole concept in front of him by dreams about you. Okay, as well as we have, what are your feelings, what are your current energy? So you are looking, you are waiting, you are you have everything, but you're waiting for your guy, you are waiting for your girl to come to you, your DM to come to you, and everything in your life. You feel complete, but you're still waiting for him. You know that if he comes, I want him in a very perfect way. I don't want him in this distorted DM. I want him in a very spiritual being, as you are, okay, as the feminine is. You want him not to be coming in just half done and half not. You want him to be complete. You want him to be your man. You want her to be your woman. Okay, so that's the reason you are just being aware of, you're watching all what is happening, you're waiting for him. At the same time, when he comes, where you can let him go, and you will understand that yes, now he is completely going to be yours, or he needs to work more, and you need to understand his feelings, his behavior. As well as Three of Cups, you are having all these kinds of things, but you're having your inner soul, your mind, body and soul is being happy for the achievement which you have made so far, and and you believe that he's going to come to you, and there is some kind of Tower moment in his life, because very well that you are a divine feminist. So you can check, you can get, you can grasp, you can connect to his energy. And yes, you know the divine is playing his wonders. That's the reason your soul tells you, be in peace, don't worry, don't be, dependent on him. Just be very independent, believe in God, surrender. And yes, you know that he is capable, he will come to you, you know that he feels complete with you. And here we have Ace of Cup. Ace of Cup is the blessing, the divine's blessing, the angels, everything is guiding you. So that's the bottom of the deck. We'll see what does he need to tell you, his deepest message for you. Okay. I think about how much I love you. Saying, do I really make you happy? Because I have always hurted, or I have always, not been at the mark, at the point as you wanted me to be, but still you're happy with me. Why do you want to be around me? He is asking God, when he is asking, he has so much of questions, I told you, right? So his mind is telling him, why do you want to be with me? Why? I have not done something very special for you. I have always left you alone. I have always left you, in the corner. I have just blocked you. So why do you want to be with me? So he is saying that, do I really make you happy? Or is it that, you're just pretending to be happy with me? And then he even says that I think about how much I love you. His deepest desire says how much he loves you. And what about you? What do you want to say to him? Okay, and I know this, you cannot say to him because you all must be in separation. But I'll tell you something, in 5D you can say that. You can say everything what you want him to hear. And yep. So we'll see what does your higher self wants to tell him at this moment. I miss you. So you're giving a very beautiful energy you're sending to him, saying, I miss you. I am doing everything for us. And you're saying, we will meet soon. This is so beautiful. So your current energy for him is really showing that you miss him. I am doing everything for us. That's the reason I am cutting off, connection. I'm not talking to you. I'm not giving you my energy. I'm concentrating in my work. You are telling in your 5D to him that we will meet soon. Yourself knows that. So you're just, sending a telepathically message to them. And thank you guys for listening to my video. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Love you.